Hi, I'm Bob LaRosa. Welcome to Fix My Hog. We've taken this twin cam softail quite a ways apart in order to change the frame. During the assembly process, we removed the voltage regulator and I unbolted the lead from the voltage regulator from somewhere on the motorcycle. Unfortunately, I don't have the correct wiring diagram in the paper form in the service manual readily available. But I definitely want to know where this lead was attached so I can clearly mark it before I set it aside. Nice feature of Clymer manuals is they are available online. I brought up the table of contents, clicked on the electrical system diagrams, and brought up the diagram of the main circuit breaker, and you can see the wire coming into the main breaker. That is this wire from the voltage regulator. I am relieved to know where this wire belongs in relation to the grand scheme of the motorcycle that is this taken apart. What I'll do at this point, just get a piece of masking tape, make myself a flag on the end of the wire, and mark it as the leftmost location on the main breaker. Again, you can access Clymer manuals online anytime. They're very simple to navigate through. They do give you all the information that a paper publication does. As long as you can access them on your computer, you can review all the information needed to not only troubleshoot, but disassemble and reassemble most makes of motorcycles.